Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do a test order on your Shopify store to make sure everything from checkout to confirmation is working perfectly. Before you go live, let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left, then choose Payments. If you are using Shopify payments, click Manage and scroll down to find Test Mode. Check the box that says Enable Test Mode and click Save. This lets you place fake orders without being charged. Now, if you haven't added a product yet, go to Product section. Now click Add Product from the right side corner. Enter a name like printed t-shirt, then description, click generate text for. If you want to generate your description with AI, just click generate text and enter your topic and select the tone like tearing, then click generate and click keeps. Now scroll down and upload your product image. Then scroll down again, then set a price, compare it, price, and a fake image just for testing. Set it to active and save. You only need one product to run the test. Now click the eye icon or preview icon next to online store in the dashboard to preview your site. Like view your store. Now choose a product like that, then click add to cart, then go to checkout, fill in a fake email and the shipping address. When you reach the payment section, you will enter test credit card details. For Shopify test mode, enter the following test card, the card number 4242 4242 4242 expiry, any future date, CVV any 3 digits, name any name, then click pay now. After clicking pay, Shopify will process the test order. You will see a confirmation page just like a real customer. You will also receive a fake order notification in your dashboard. Now go back to orders from your dashboard. You will see the test order marked as a test. Click it to check order details, customer information, and fulfillment options. This is your chance to review how everything works. Once you are done testing, go back to settings, then payments, click manage, and under check test mode. Sorry, and uncheck test mode. Click Save. You have Your store is now ready to take real payments. And that's how you run a full test order in Shopify. It's super important to check everything before launching. Before we continue, there's something important you need to know. You must pick a Shopify plan, go to your admin dashboard, then click the select a plan button before test mode and checkout will fully work, even if it's the free trial. If you just created your store and haven't chosen a plan yet, test checkout might be restricted, so go to settings and choose a plan and activate your free trial or pick the basic plan to unlock full functionality. Unlock full functionality. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. Shopify gives you a 3-day free trial and you can cancel anytime before the billing date if you are just testing. Also, be sure to fill in your store information, including your address and business email. These are required to complete test checkouts and receive order notifications. Now let's talk about why this step matters. Doing a test order isn't just about seeing a payment go through, it's your chance to experience your store like a real customer. You will see how smooth your checkout process is. Is your product name clear? Does the confirmation email look professional? Does your shipping rate show up correctly? So don't skip this. Even big e-commerce brands test before launching. It saves time, build trust, and avoids issues after you go live. Once your test is done and you're happy with everything, then you can confidently move forward and start promoting your store. But until then, treat this step seriously. It's your dress rehearsal before opening night. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check out our Shopify playlist for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.